Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to send a PDF file from a laptop to WhatsApp. If you want to know how, watch this video until the end. The first step, please open the WhatsApp application on your laptop. The next step, please look for the PDF file that you want to send on WhatsApp. And now we have successfully sent one PDF file to WhatsApp. And for those of you who don't have the WhatsApp application on your laptop or PC, you can use Google Chrome. The method is, open Google Chrome, then type WhatsApp Web, then click WhatsApp Web to open it, then log in using the method explained in this article. As for how to send PD files to WhatsApp via WhatsApp Web, you can do the same as the steps at the beginning.